Hi there, thank you for clicking on this video and thank you for supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. Today I will share with you a super easy recipe for ginger basil lemonade. Before we go further, please hit that subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and let's go. So for the ginger water, you need to peel about 10-15 grams of ginger root. Now be careful with the ginger root, you don't want to use too much. Then move the ginger root to a cooking pan and pour 2 regular water bottles over it. Move it to a stove and let it boil for about 30 minutes. After that, leave it on the side and let it cool down. And after that, strain it. Meanwhile, squeeze 1 or 2 lemons. It really depends how sour you want your lemonade to be. If you prefer it more sweet, then do only 1 lemon. And then mix the strained ginger water with the fresh squeezed lemon juice. The next step is to pour some sparkling water to give it this bubbly feeling. If you don't like that, you can of course use regular water, but I do recommend that you try it with sparkling instead. Then don't forget to add some ice. It's time to add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I do not recommend that you add the honey prior to this point, because if you add it while everything is hot or it's boiling, the honey can lose some of its healthy properties. And then mix well so that the honey can completely dissolve in the lemonade. And then the last step is to add the fresh basil leaves. I added about 15 to 20 basil leaves, and you can add as many as you'd like. And that's it. Enjoy with friends and family or just by yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like my videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell on so that you get notifications every time when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.